In this short video, we'll look at how I make $400 sales with affiliate marketing on YouTube, and I'm going to show you my proof of earnings as well. Hi, my name's Les Blythe. I've been a professional marketer and copywriter online since 2011. And welcome to Freelance Your Future FYF 101, where we look at everything to do with making money online, from running a side hustle to creating a full-time job replacing income. Now, if you guys have been following my channel, you'll know that I've made quite a few videos on copywriting, and I've helped quite a few of you guys get started online as a copywriter. Now, this video has been inspired by a couple of you guys who've said to me that they really don't see that they could be a copywriter. They don't think they've got the skill set to master it. And is there anything else that I can recommend to essentially make money online and even get to the point of a job replacing income? And of course, as well as being a professional copywriter, I also do online marketing. And I'm currently working on YouTube, making a decent income from videos on YouTube. And that's something which I believe anyone can do. The thing is, you've got to get the right system. I tried a couple of things. Nothing seemed to be working too well until I came across the system I'm using right now, which is Paul Murphy's ATS system. ATS stands for Affiliate Tube Success. And that's something I want to explore with you guys in this video. So in this video, we'll explore the method I'm using to make $400 sales on YouTube right now, which is the ATS system, the Affiliate Tube Success system, which comes from Paul Murphy. We'll look at why it works. I'll give you proof of why it works, and I'll show you some of my earnings that I'm making right now from using this system on YouTube. And then if it's something that you think interests you, I'll point you in the direction of where you can find out more and explore if it's going to be right for you. Okay then guys, with that said, let's make a start, and we'll dive in by looking at the ATS system, and we'll look at my YouTube channel so you can see exactly what I'm doing with it to earn these $400 sales on YouTube. So here we are guys, inside my YouTube channel. As you know, my YouTube channel is called FYF 101, or Earn an Extra Income with FYF 101. And here's a listing of the videos I've created so far. I've only been using this system for a few months, and you'll see that my top video there, the AWAI Copywriting Course Review, has now received 492 views. Let's dive into that one. Let's have a look at it in more detail. If I just click on, we'll go inside. So essentially what we're doing is we're ranking keywords on the front page of Google, and video is a very powerful method to do this. So this copywriting course review, as you see, has had almost 500 views, and I've had some sales from this. You see I have set this out. There's a link there at the top of the description that people click on to find out more about the AWAI copywriting course. And you'll see I put a little bit about it, what it's about, the fact that I've been freelancing since 2011, what I think about the course, my opinion of it, and I recommend any videos you do, review videos, you actually own the product yourself, which I do. And in this video I take the viewer behind the scenes and show them just what the course is about, and they can decide, once having seen that, if it's going to be right for them. This is one of the little tricks we use in the Affiliate Tube Success course, and that's linking inside our description to other videos in the same playlist. This is a very powerful thing that YouTube really likes, and it helps us to get a lot of traction on the platform. So that's one of the little tricks that you'll learn inside the course if you decide it's right for you. And as with all these things, some of these links, some of your links can be affiliate links, so it's best to put a disclaimer in there to say that if someone does buy, then you make money from selling the course. This is in a playlist. You'll learn all about playlists and how to do playlists, and the power of putting videos together in a playlist and multiplying your success on YouTube. Certain things you have to put now that it's not made for kids. And you'll see what we're essentially doing is ranking keywords, and you can see by this little number 1 here that my main keyword here that I ranked this video for is at number 1. So I'm ranking number 1. This is for a search on Google. Anyone putting in this keyword here, my video would come up in the number 1 spot. So that's kind of the inside of one of the videos. That's the kind of system we're following. There's obviously a lot more to it, but that's just showing you an actual example of a video that has made me a reasonable income in the last few months. So as I say, the ATS system is working very well for me. I'm very pleased with the results. And you know, I've tried other systems which, you know, I've got 4 or 5 YouTube channels, none of which have really taken off. But since I've been using the ATS system on this channel, it's actually doing quite well for me. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've copied the keyword from that video. Let's just open up a fresh tab here and let's do a Google search to see where that video is now ranking on Google. Let's look at that quickly. And you can see this is page 1 of Google. There's the video itself right at the top. And in fact, the only thing that's ranking above it is a link from my website where I featured the video on my website. So you can see I'm dominating this whole page for the AWI copywriting course review. You can also see there's one of my other videos underneath. Let's now have a look in the let's have a look at the videos themselves. I should be dominating the videos, no problem with this. Yes, there it is again at the top of the videos, and you can see my videos are ranking all over the place on the videos related to that search term. You know, you can see here's my videos here, 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 everywhere. They're all over the place on there. So you can see this is a very powerful system. I'm totally dominating Google search, and of course let's have a look at YouTube itself. I should be dominating YouTube as well, I should think, with this. Shouldn't be a problem at all with the system we use. So I'll search now, paste it into YouTube as well. And yeah, I'm at the top of YouTube, second on YouTube, 4th, 5th, 6th, all over the place on YouTube. These are my videos here as well. So you can see this is a very powerful system, and with that kind of exposure you're going to get affiliate sales on YouTube, as I'm doing right now. And what I'll do next is I'll show you proof of earnings as to the kind of thing I'm earning right now in the last couple of months. So here we are now guys, we're inside my AWI referral partner home, which is where I can check out the commissions I've earned from sales of the course that I'm recommending. And bear in mind, I've taken this course myself. I only recommend things that I do myself and that I believe in. So let's just take a quick look at where we are now, and you can see this is live. This is in the month of November. I've had a couple of sales. The course sells for just under $400, and I get just under $200 commission on each sale. So there's just under $400 there earned in November, and that's just from the videos I'm putting up on YouTube. And to be quite honest, the last couple of months I've been that busy with client work, I've not really spent a lot of time on this. I really do need to get back to it. But there's the proof, live proof of commissions you can earn by using the ATS Affiliate Tube Success system. So there we go guys, I hope you found that useful. In this short video we covered the method I use to make $400 sales on YouTube, and that's using the Affiliate Tube Success ATS system. I showed you why it works, because we're basically dominating YouTube, we're dominating Google, we're dominating search for the keywords that we target, and the way the system teaches you to do that is extremely powerful. I've shown you proof that it works. I've taken you and shown you some earnings that I just made in the last couple of weeks. We're only kind of halfway through November at the moment, and that's my earnings for that period in November. And I'll point you to where you can find out more if you feel this is going to be right for you. It is something which comes with my recommendation. It's done well for me, and it's continuing to earn me commissions month in, month out. Now remember guys, if you did find value in my video, I'd really appreciate you subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell icon so you never miss a new video when I release it. You know, you guys supporting the channel really helps me, and it encourages me to keep making videos like this to help you, so I'd appreciate your support. Drop me a comment if you like. Glad to get involved in a conversation with you. I personally answer all my comments, so feel free to get in touch if I can help you in any other way. Okay guys, so as promised, I'm going to give you a link where you can directly get in touch with Paul Murphy, where he's going to talk you through the ATS system in some detail, so you don't want to miss out on that. The link is on the screen now, and it's simply fyf101.com/ATS. So if you feel this is something that could be of interest to you and you're keen to earn commissions month after month with YouTube videos, and get in touch with the system that really works. I mean, as I said, I've tried a few of these things and this one is working well for me now, and I can recommend it to you. So if it interests you and you feel it could be right for you, give it a look. That's the link there, fyf101.com/ATS. And if it is something that interests you, I look forward to welcoming you onto the team and working with you in the future. That's it for now, guys. Many thanks for your attention, and we'll talk again soon. Ciao for now. Bye bye.